This background is fake. This is my original background that I used to choose this video. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to change your background from this to this right here in this video. See, forget about those excuses you give yourself. Oh, I don't have an aesthetically pleasing background for my videos. That's why I'm not shooting content. Oh, my background is so bad and all that. See, in this age and time, background is not an issue. You can create videos and just with your editing, you can change the background to something pleasing, something beautiful. Nobody will know, yes. Nobody will know. Nobody will know. I know you know about that song. Nobody will know that it's a fake background. Yes, everything has gone digital. So you can change your background as far as you want. So, but there are some tricks to it. Before I show you the screen recording on how to do it, because we're going to be using two different apps or three thereabouts. Yes, you have to know this trick. Like you can see, what are you observing now? The way I'm dressed, you can observe that the way I'm dressed, I dress like this because of this video, because I know I'll be changing these videos background. You can observe that my hair is well tied at the back. It's not floating around, because personally I've tried changing my background using this same method and it did not work out for me, simply because my hair was flowing down and it will be cutting from one edge. If you have tried it before, I believe you should have an idea of what I'm talking about. Yes. So I tied my hair back and I wore a just one color. Like the cut I have has just one color, which is one color. So this cloth just has one color, not multiple colors. And my background is blank. So just take note of these things. You'll be using a blank background, that a plain background. It can be white, it can be any color, but your background should not have different things at the back. It should not just be plain. If it's white, plain white. If it's blue, plain blue. So you can observe my background is just blank, so that it will be easy to change the background. Because if your background has different things in it, it's going to be affecting the video. And if your hair is floating around, with this trick I'm showing you, it's going to be affecting the video. So you can see me very well. My cloth is just one color. Don't wear different colors of cloth, because you'll be confusing CapCut. Tie your hair well. Let your hair be neatly packed at the back, so that it will not cut it out. And my earrings are also very small, so you can see that I am prepared for this video. So this is how you should do it if you want to get good results. So the first thing you should do is to download a good background. You can use Pinterest for a good background, or you can also use ChatGTP to create something pleasing to you. In fact, if you need me to give you prompts for your videos, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be giving you different prompts that you can use ChatGTP to prompt and get good background for your videos. Yes, let me know in the comment section. So for the sake of this video, we're going to Pinterest. I don't have a Pinterest app on my phone, because I'm finally ready to teach you from scratch. Yes, how to do everything from scratch. So let me screen record my screen now. Then we're going to be going to download Pinterest app. So I believe you can see my screen already. So go to Play Store and type on Pinterest. Let's remove this CapCut and type on Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest app. So you have to download Pinterest app. So just allow it to load. See, if you follow these steps I'm teaching this video, you're going to be having good background for your videos. Nobody will know. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's going to know that you are not using your original background. How will we know? How will they know? How will they know? So just follow the tricks I'm giving you in this video, and you discover that nothing will. It's not so obvious that that the background is not original. Nobody will know. Everybody will think, see, people will think that it's your room you are using, depending on the background you are using. So Pinterest app is open now. So let's click on open. We have done installing it. Go to your Play Store and download it. Those who are using Android, for those who are using iPhone, you know where to go to. So you know where to use to download the Pinterest app. So now we are done downloading Pinterest. It's going to be popping up your screen right now, and we are going to be moving forward. So they're asking you to either you set up with your email or continue with Google. So you can just continue with Google, because I don't like stress. Yes, continue with Google. So putting email, putting password and the rest of it, just continue with Google, and you continue with your Google account. So that is what I normally do. most of the time. That's what I do. So just click on continue with Google, and we are here. If you can see that I already did a lot of search before now, so that is why you can see these things under my Pinterest account. So you are still going to be searching. You can just click on the search icon, just click on it and type out what you want. You can just say an artistically pleasing room design. That is room. Let me just say a beautiful room design for a girl or for anybody you want to. You can use for a girl. Then because it's a YouTube video, you can just use a landscape. Oh, this is not what I actually want, but you can see something that they are giving you different options. But for the sake of this video, let me edit the design. Let's say a beautiful wallpaper, a beautiful wallpaper for video. Can add size. Size should be 16 by 9 because it's a YouTube video. So that is it. So a lot of designs are here, but let's going to choose the one that is perfect for us. Okay. I don't like all this one sincerely. This one are not what I want. Maybe I can put room design so that they will know that it's a room, because this one is not what I want. So let's edit the prompt again for the third time. We must get it right. And this is just a video for a newbie who is trying to do these things right. So you can just say a beautiful wallpaper, a beautiful room wallpaper. Let's try this out if it's going to be giving us what we want. Okay, yeah, something like this, something as beautiful as it. And then I like that first one, but let's see. I like this first one. I like the way this one is. So let's see. Okay, this one is taking us to a different link entirely. I think we should just avoid that. Let's go back. That's not what we want. Okay, I think I like. Let me go back. I think I like this one, but I don't know if you guys like it too. Let's see this particular one. This one is not that bad. We can try this at, yes. Oh, something of this nature. I'm seeing a lot that I like here. I think we should try this one. Yes, we should try this one. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Oh wow, this looks good, sincerely. So what we have to do is to download it. But this one is not 16 by 9. Let's see if we can get 16 by 9. I think from the prompts, like from what I said, because the video is 16 by 9. I want to be 16 by 9. Let me add 16 by 9 to it. A beautiful room wallpaper. Size should be 16 by 9 because I wanted to get the size for us. Because if you not get the perfect size, you now start zooming inside CapCut and you know that's not actually what we actually looking for. So let's click on 16 by 9 as the size. Let's see what Pinterest is going to giving us in this video. Oh wow, this is it. Where are Pinterest giving us this before? So there are a lot of it. Okay, I think I'll go with this first one here. This first one here, you are seeing this background is top notch. I love it. So okay, there are several others. People can see it now. Several others. Wow. See, you have a lot of options to pick from. So let's see. Oh, I love this blue one. It looks good. Let's download this. For the sake of this, let's download this first one. Just click on this button here, this three dots, and click on download image. So okay, yes, allow Pinterest to access your photos so I can download this image for us. We have allowed it. Then let's download it. Okay, image downloaded. So let's go ahead to CapCut. So let's now head on to CapCut and let's get started. So let's go to CapCut. I already have it open on my phone, so it's that easy for me right now. So if you don't have CapCut, download CapCut app because this thing I'll be teaching you is easier done with CapCut. Yeah. So now we are on CapCut. So what you need to do is to go to new video and select the photo first. Go to photos and select the picture. We have a lot of pictures here. Let me just select this first one. that we don't download, just click on add that picture. And so after adding this picture, just go to add add the video now. Yes, so you go to videos now and click on the video that you're adding. Click on add. Okay, you can put it on HD mode so that it will be so clear if you want. I don't know why it's not adding. Okay, that's added now. And I don't know this size. You can still check the overlay to be sure that this size is 16:9 size. That is the sorry, not overlay. The aspect ratio to be sure that it's 16:9. That is the size of the video. Those if you are using it for YouTube video. But so let's go ahead now. This particular video, we are going to be putting it as overlay. Click on the video and click on overlay. Just scroll down and you are going to be seeing overlay. Let's start again from the beginning. Okay, I have here overlay. Click on overlay and you see the video has already gone down. Then what you have to do is to remove the background of this video. So just click on, I see that the video is not properly stable. We have to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Let's see, let's go back and change the aspect ratio to 16:9 so that everything will be balanced. So 16:9 is here now. Click on OK. That means you have to zoom out this video picture. You see why I said we should use the original size. So we'll zoom it up so that it will just cover the whole place and let this video remain the way it is, that is normal size. Okay, I believe we are together now. So what I have to do now is to click on remove background. So look for the remove background. I remove the background of this particular video. Click on remove BG and click on auto remover. Then voila, the background has removed. So we have to still zoom it, take it down. Okay, I'm going to be silencing this video so we can play. You allow it for some time to load. If you see this place showing one now, if you click on it, you see that it's actually processing. It says a remove background is processing. You can see that it's loaded. So I like to be good for 100% so that the video will not be skipping. Then when you now play it, you see that everything is smooth. Okay, let me mute the sounds. I think I muted it too. But let me mute it again. Let me use the sound again so that it not affects this video. Okay. Then let me remove this ending part. I know my subscribers know how to remove it. At least you have to remove the ending part so that it not affect. Okay, let it be in the same part of your video, the background. Okay, and okay, that doesn't matter. Let's play the video. You see that everything is so perfect. Everything is so perfect. So let me know if you're going to be trying this thing at on your channel or on maybe on Facebook, or if you're a social media manager, you're trying it with the business people the business you're working with. Remember that my name is Eno. This is Grow with Eno's channel, and in this channel I teach techie skills for business owners, content creators. See, this channel is a must subscribe channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you put on your notification so that whenever I post a video, you always get it. So drop your comments in the comment section if you have any questions or any video you want me to talk about. I'll be there to answer you. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Bye bye.